Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we're going to draw and color a cute princess. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a cute princess. I draw her two pretty eyes. Her eyelashes. Her nose and her smiling mouth. Her face and her hair. Her two ears. Then I draw her earrings. I draw her neck and the necklace like this. Let's finish her hair here and the crown. Now let's decorate it. I draw some gems on her crown. How beautiful! Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the princess skin with cream. Then light red for her mouth. I color her hair yellow. With some light brown stripes in it. Then I use orange for her gold crown. Fuchsia. Then I use orange and a little light purple here. Fuchsia. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.